what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Jyoti Verma. So today for this new video, we are going to discuss the doubt solving. ठीक है, ये doubt solving session है class 6 to 8 के लिए, जो कि मेरे science के sprints already are launched on my channel. So the doubts that you guys have sent to me, I'm just having those doubts and I'm going to solve it. So the respondents are doubts are from Shivali, Shreya and Samriddhi. I have doubts from this three person. So I had got 7 to 10 doubts, but out of those doubts, these three were the doubts that I thought that I should really take it on screen on a doubt solving video, because the other doubts that I have already got were very easy. Okay, they were just one word answers, and that is the reason I haven't taken those. Okay, I have already solved those doubts also through mails. Of course, you must keep checking your mails, because I mail you your solution for doubts. Okay. Now, what is the learning strategy on Jyoti Learns? Before beginning the session, let me tell you that video premieres every day at 12 p.m. Okay, so you can watch it. Now, learning chapter with fun, we do sprint of that chapter. Doubt solving form is always provided below each and every video. Even in this, below this video, you have the doubt solving form. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can just write me out there. The suggestion form and the session PDFs are also in the description box. But for this video, I do not have session PDF. Okay, because this is not an academic session nor any trick session. Fine. And suggestion form is in the description, so please do fill it. You can suggest me regarding my teaching and everything. Then test of that chapter, we do tumbly quizzes, important question, we do a lot of discussion on key points, and we also provide you with assignments. Now, all about me. So my name is Jyoti and I'm 14 years old and I'm in 8th grade. I believe that even at a small age you can do what you want, and my favorite subjects are maths and science. I love chemistry basically among them, and yeah, I want to grow my smart YouTube family to 1000 subscribers. Now, first doubt is from Shivali. Shivali asks that from chapter 2, components of food, what are the tests for starch, proteins and fats? Basically, the tests for starch and proteins and fats are those tests which tell you that whether a food consists of starch or not. For example, here I have some food item. Okay, I have here some food item. So here I have an almond. I have almond with me. Okay, so I will, if I do a test of starch on it, so I must come to know that whether this food item has starch or not. If I do test of protein on it, I must come to know that whether it has protein or not. If I do a test of fats on it, so I will come to know that whether it has fats in it or not. So this is what exactly is test. So these tests basically tell you in which food item, which food component is present, whether starch is present, protein is present, or fats is present. Now let us discuss it in detail as well. Now, for testing your starch, you need a small quantity of food, food item or a raw ingredient. Just take it as, for example, for test of starch, if you are taking rice, for a test of starch, if you are taking rice, I am taking rice here. Okay. So now what I will do is put 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution. Iodine is a non-metal, a lustrous non-metal basically, and for a lot of things iodine is also used. So you have to put 2 to 3 drops on that food item, the iodine solution. Okay? And observe if there is any change in color. If there is any change in color, then you must come to know if that turns blue back. For example, if I am putting that iodine solution on this almond, then this almond must turn blue black. If it is not turning blue black, then of course this has no starch on it. So rice will turn blue black basically. Then the question arises is, kya rice blue black ho jayega? Will rice turn blue black basically after when I provide it with iodine? Will it? Guys, do you guys know the answer? So I actually know, because of course I have already done this experiments when I was in 6th grade. So of course rice will turn blue black. Okay, of course rice will turn blue black. Now you have to tell me the answers also. Now observe if there is, now if it turns blue black, it has starch in it. If it doesn't turn, then it has no starch in it. Now test for proteins. Now here we have to test whether a food item has proteins or not. So for that you have to take a small quantity of that particular food item, and it will be in a solid form. Okay? So you first need to grind it, you first need to mash it up, and after mashing you have to take a small quantity of that particular food item and put some drops in a test tube. Basically your test tube will be like this. And if it is test for proteins, okay. So if I am taking rice here as well, so what I will do, I'll just mash it a bit and then just I'll put the small quantity of it in a test tube, and then I will put 10 drops of water in it and shake the test tube well. Now I'll add some copper sulfate solution. I've also put some drops of copper sulfate solution as well as some drops of, I will put of caustic soda to the test tube, and I will shake well, and I'll just leave it for some time. If it changes its color to violet is a color a bit like purple, like as you can see in this picture as well. This is ठीक है, ये जो color आपको background में दिख रहा है ना, ये color it can be, it's very much similar to violet. See, this is the color, this is the violet color. If it turns violet, then of course it has proteins in it. Figure, this was the test for protein. Now comes the test for fats. So whether food item has tests of fats or not. So first of all, you have to take that food item. For example, if I am taking potatoes, so I will take that potatoes, I'll just mash it up, I'll put it in paper. ठीक है, पेपर में मैं पेपर लूँगी कुछ इस तरह से. पेपर लिया मैंने और उसमें मैंने मैश करके उसको रख दिया, ठीक है. और फिर मैं पेपर को पूरा सीधा कर दूँगी. अगर पेपर पे कुछ मुझे ऑयली सा दिख रहा है, इफ़ आई एम सीइंग एनीथिंग ऑयली, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर, ठीक है, यहाँ पे मेरे पास कुछ है टू शो यू गाइस. हाँ, हियर. सो आप देख रहे हो ये पेपर, ठीक है, दिस इज द पेपर दैट आई एम शोइंग यू. अब आप कैमरे पे देखो, यहाँ पे कुछ ऑयली सा दिख रहा है आप सबको. कैन यू गाइस सी दिस? थोड़ा सा ऑयली, और ऑयली जहाँ पे दिख रहा है आपको, उसके थ्रू आप अपने आइज को देखो, ठीक है. ये जो ऑयली सब्सटेंस दिख रहा है, तो आपको आजू उसके जो बैक साइड जितनी चीज़ें होंगी थोड़ी बहुत आपको दिखाई देंगी, तो ट्रांसलूसेंट हो जाता है. इसी तरह से आपका पेपर अगर ट्रांसलूसेंट बन रहा है तो उसके अंदर थोड़ा फेंटी सा बन रहा है. बेसिकली फेंटी सा हो जाएगा. ट्रांसलूसेंट तो बोल नहीं सकते कंप्लीटली, फेंटी सा हो रहा है, देन ऑफ कोर्स इट हैज़ व्हाट फैट्स इन इट. अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो नहीं है फैट्स. नेक्स्ट डाउट इज फ्रॉम श्रेया. सो हर डाउट इज फ्रॉम ग्रेड 7 साइंस. द वीडियो नेम इज न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स. अरे यार प्लीज़ डू नॉट सेंड मी लिंक्स, ठीक है, मुझे फिर लिंक्स को खोल के देखना पड़ता है. इंस्टेड यू कैन जस्ट डायरेक्टली राइट द वीडियो चैप्टर नेम इफ यू वांट टू एनालाइज योर डाउट्स, बिकॉज दिस इज अ रॉ डेटा. आई want some organized data for me. So now the doubt is that explain the feeding habit of sundew. So basically let me tell you what's your name? Shreya, ठीक है, fine, your name is Shreya है ना. So Shreya, let me tell you, Shreya, that sundew is an insectivorous plant. Insectivorous plants, they are not completely autotrophs, so that they can prepare their food by themselves. They of course process photosynthesis, but not it's the case always. But some plants are all completely heterotrophs. Some insectivorous plants are completely heterotrophs, such as sundew, ठीक है. तो sundew एक carnivorous plant है. Carnivorous, you must be aware of the name. Sundew is carnivorous plant and it traps insects, so it feeds on insects. So the feeding habit of sundew is, we can say that it traps insects. It has thin linings on its body shape, so it helps it to traps those flies, and of course it has a significant portion through that which it does it. So now the next doubt is from Samriddhi. So this is not a doubt solving form, this is from my suggestion form basically. So how can I improve? Any suggestions? Start covering ICSE syllabus also. Samriddhi, it's not totally possible for me to upload ICSE videos as well, because I'm already I'm done with CBSE. So of course I cannot bring you the ICSE series. Yeah, sorry for that, but of course it's not possible. Now guys, yeah, we have completed the entire video. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy, and if you have found your doubts been solved, then do not forget to like this video. Let's meet in our next video. Till then, take care and bye guys.